Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Forms and using the account you want to store responses in. Create your questions now. Choose types like short answer, multiple choice, or file upload and mark required items. Once done, organize sections and adjust validation so responses are consistent. Make sure to name the form clearly and check who can respond. These initial choices determine column layout in sheets, so plan question order and ID to simplify later analysis and formulas. Now connect your form to Google Sheets. Go to Responses and click the Sheets icon, then choose Create a new spreadsheet or select Existing. If you choose Existing, pick the exact sheet tab to avoid overwriting data. Once linked, Google populates a header row that mirrors your questions. Verify headers and question order. Make sure timestamps are enabled if you need submission time. If you plan automations, leave some blank columns for formulas, and note that renaming headers in sheets won't break the link. Finish by testing. Submit a few sample responses and watch them appear in sheets in real time. Once confirmed, add formulas, filters, or app script triggers for notifications or processing. You can also install add-ons for advanced workflows. If things go wrong, make sure you own both files or have edit access, check sheet protections and permission prompts, and relink the form if headers misalign. Finally, document where automations run to avoid accidental edits and ensure consistent data flow going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.